Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix unable to remove payment method. Reason there is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. So if you try to remove a payment method on your iPhone iOS 18 and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply first of all you have to close this page, and after closing the page you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that you have to simply click on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check for your payment method, or you can simply check for your subscription. So first of all we are going to check for our subscription. So here we have to go to App Store, and you have to simply check for your subscription or purchase history, and if any kind of payment is pending, then you can simply check for the payment of that subscription or that purchase, and after that you will be able to remove that payment method. So after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to name or Apple ID, and here you have to click on media and purchases, and after that you have to click on view account, and here we have to wait for some time so that is this kind of interface is available. So here you have to simply click on manage payments, and after that you have simply try to add or remove payment method. So before adding or removing payment method you have to simply make sure that you do not have any kind of pending payments on that payment method. So after clearing all the payment method you will be able to remove that payment method. So you can also check for the subscription uh, from here. So if any kind of pending subscription or purchase history is available, then you can simply clear any kind of pending payments related to that subscription, and after that you can simply remove that payment method without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.